Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a report of accounts with no activities in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to identify which accounts haven't had any recent engagement, helping you prioritize outreach and ensure no potential opportunities slip through the cracks. Let's start by clicking the App Launcher, which is that 9-dot grid icon you'll find in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This opens up your menu of available apps and features. Once it's open, search for and select Reports. This takes you to the reporting hub where you can build and manage all your custom reports. Now click New Report to start building your report from scratch. You'll be presented with a selection of report types. For this task, select the Accounts report type since we're specifically looking at account data. Once you've selected it, click Start Report to move into the report builder. You'll now be in the report editor. Click on the Filters tab at the top. This is where we'll set the conditions that define which accounts appear in our report. First, click the Create Date dropdown and select All Time. This ensures we're looking at all accounts regardless of when they were created, giving you the complete picture. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to the Filters header. This reveals additional filtering options. Select Add Cross Filter from the menu. Cross filters are powerful because they let you filter one object based on related records in another object, which is exactly what we need here. From the Show dropdown, select Accounts. Then from the Operator dropdown, select Without. This is the key part because it tells Salesforce we want accounts that don't have something. Finally, from the Secondary Object dropdown, select Activities. This combination creates a filter that finds accounts without any associated activities. Click Apply to set this filter. Give it a moment to process as Salesforce runs through your data. Now let's add some useful columns to make the report more informative. Click on Outline, then Columns. Here you can add fields like account name, account owner, and created date. Search for and select each of these fields individually. These columns will help you see not just which accounts lack activities, but also who owns them and when they were created, making it easier to take action. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save and Run. This will execute the report and save it for future use. You'll be prompted to enter a report name. Type something descriptive like accounts with no activities, so you can easily find it later. Select a folder where you want to store this report, perhaps under a folder for your team or department. Finally, click Save, and there you have it. You've successfully created a report that shows all accounts with no activities in Salesforce, giving you clear visibility into which accounts need attention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.